Alright, welcome back. This is going to be a much different video, guys. You guys see right next to me, I have this really cool looking dude. So this cool looking dude actually inside of this box is something, well, obviously for the thumbnail, it is a lot different than car content. Technically, this is tying into the car world because if you guys haven't seen Goon Squad, they have released their full-on cooking line. They have done so much with their merch, buying property, of course.
Dang sauce, right?
So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this box. So, yes, I am going to be cooking this and everything, and, you know, obviously giving you guys a taste test and my opinions about this. But we're going to first dive in, and this is obviously really good packaging, but I already took the packaging out. So, we have first their DAAANG sauce, Chipotle hot sauce, made with Hoff and pepper, handmade batches by them. So, it's a nice little bottle. They have their whole entire, there you go. Tackled supercars, trucks, helicopters. Yep, that was crazy, even though they sold that one. Hoff and pepper are the best in the business. Our powers combine. Proud to bring you our DAANG sauce. Pedal to the metal mashup. Chipotle, ancho, red, jalapeno, habanero, and fresh lime. So Chipotle and habanero. Super excited for that one. You got Simon's signature right there, along with Elazar's, so that's cool. Super amazing bottle, has that little carbon fiber weave that they were talking about. Something else that's inside this DAANG sauce packaging, you have their DAANG bacon. So we're gonna be cooking chicken, and I'm gonna do it straight just like this. So we're gonna season up the chicken with DAANG bacon, cook it, brown it, and then we're gonna glaze it in the pan with our DAANG barbecue southern sauce and our DAANG sauce Chipotle limes. Ahead and get our chicken cut open, and for this one, this is a chicken breast, normal chicken breast. We're just gonna trim off any fat that we don't want to eat, any excess stuff. Put that to the side. Sink. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this breast in half, and then I'm probably gonna make strips after that half. So get into that, get any of that fat off. Thinking, how do I want to do this? Dang, son. This is really, smells really good, really bacony. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw our chicken in a bowl, and we're just gonna just layer this seasoning on there. I know what you guys are thinking, oh, this chicken raw bowl, but hey, everything gets washed. So sprinkle a generous amount, and this is gonna go straight into the pan. No butter, no oil. We're gonna try it out, really just pure Goon Squad taste, to see what the boys have in their mindset to cook, to see if they're more than just a mastermind of fixing cars. I think that's enough bacon stuff. Maybe a little more. Extra taste. I think that's good right there. Dang, son. Alright, so we're going to go in straight from the flats on our chicken. We're going to cook them maybe for about a minute and a half. The pan is hot, so we're going to just lay it straight down. You can hear that sizzle. That's a good noise. We don't want to crowd our pan because we don't want it to get too crowded. But I want to just cook all this chicken. It's always just one quick go. Then we'll flip it maybe in a few minutes. Once this is all done cooking, this isn't the whole glazing part, guys. When all this chicken is in the pan and it's all cooked up, what I'm going to do it afterwards, I'm going to put in on our big pan with our DAAANG barbecue, and that's going to marinate some of them, give them a nice glaze. It's also going to cook the chicken a little further. So we're going to cook it a little bit, brown it, give it some color, flip it again, obviously just a little color, and then we're going to full on coat it with this. Alright, so now it has a little bit of white. That's how you want to know the chicken is like cooking. So once it's white on that side, you just basically take it, flip it, you get a nice color, and it's going to be like that for all your chickens. If it's not, don't be afraid, as long as you're cooking it, because the magic really happens in the sauce. Now with the sugars and the sauces, even this one right here with the lime and chipotle, this chili and the sugars, it's all going to give it a nice crust, per se, of the sauce. A nice glaze. There we go. I want to go in with a little bit of butter, but I don't want to ruin just the pure taste of this GOONZSQUAD stuff. Smells really good. So that's on that side now. We're going to just let it sit there for a couple more minutes. After that, I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to add the barbecue to this pan, chipotle to this pan, and then just let it sit there and get on a nice little glaze, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, let's crack this guy open. Get ready. Ooh. Dang, son. That's what they sound like all the time. Let's see what they sound like. Got a little on my nosies. Yo, that's fire. Not gonna lie, I really like Chipotle and lime. When I make my own sauces at home, something I do. Chipotle is really spicy, but that's how boys out there in Chattanooga do it. I'm gonna smell a babacoo. Dang, son. Sauce makes you say dang to it. DAANG bro sauce, DAANG sauce, chicken. We're gonna put this, heat this pan up right here, and what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna let the sauce heat up with the pan. So this is a cold pan. I'll pour a little bit of sauce on there, a generous amount, and then when I cook my chicken in there, I'm about to put in there, it's all gonna basically heat up together and coat all evenly, and I'll show you guys afterwards. Now I know this barbecue is going to go in here with a hot pan, so it's like, you know, but it's still going to come out the same. This one's just going to be a little more different because this is a Chipotle Lime. You got to treat it more special. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So we're going to throw one more in there. Yeah, you can see that's why I did the Chipotle stuff in there. Oh, it's not so explosive. Here we got our Chipotle Lime. Alright, so for this one right here, I'm gonna just flip these joints up real quick, just so both sides get nice and coated. It's not even the finished product. What we're looking for is a nice, really good glaze to where it kind of sticks. So luckily this pan right here is bigger. I can just like flip our chickens around. See that? That's what we're looking for on all of our chickens. So I'm trying to move everybody around here without throwing the food on the floor. Being stubborn, technical issues. We're just in full sandwich here. Bam! That's a very beautiful color. That tastes really good. It's really barbecuey, kind of smoky, kind of citrusy. Maybe because that lime is still on my tongue, but that's the way how we want our chickens to look. So we're gonna put this on a bed of orzo. That's what we're eating tonight with our dinner. And there we go. That's a Chipotle Lime. We're gonna let it sit there for a little bit. Obviously get more stickier stickier the better. So let me put it on the plate and show you guys what's up. Alright, so you already know we had to do this. Put a little bit of that extra loving on the side right there. So we got our DAANG sauce right over here. And we got our DAANG barbecue right over here. That's a little slower, obviously. She's a little thicker, but it's alright. Sauce is good. It's real good barbecue. So because obviously I don't want to cross the flavors around, we're just gonna scoop this one kind of right up on there onto that orzo. And I want to take a little bite for you guys to see how this tastes with just the bacon and the chicken and all that good stuff. For this one, we're going to use our tongs. Put that jaune right on there. That one's not as coated, but it's fine. It works. Still got the concept of everything going on. That looks really good. Look at that. Alright, let's put that little extra sauce right on top. Alright, so now that we dirtied up the kitchen, quick little taste review, taste bite of both of these things. So I'm going to go in with just a small piece, see how this tastes up real quick. Cut it up right there, dip it in, there we go, beautiful. These boys do know how to come up with a good sauce. Alright. Before I go, wow. The orzo is good too. Before I dig in and finish this, let me try this one on camera real quick. So if you guys haven't already, go on GOONZSQUAD. They have a lot of different opportunities with a bunch of different stuff if you buy their stuff. I just bought this because it's been floating around, and if you guys haven't seen, we took a road trip over there to Wisconsin. Wasn't able to stop over there in Tennessee, Chattanooga area because it's a 9-hour drive down, but we were able to go to Chicago. So you want to see Chicago Tuna Evo, that's up on the channel as well. But going right into our barbecue, let's try it out. Smoky, delicious. Would I recommend these sauces, guys, to anybody out there? I highly recommend this one. This is a really, really good sauce right over here. This chili sauce right over here is super delicious. It's not too spicy. It honestly is a very tolerable spice, but it does have that kick from the chipotle and the habanero. So copy you guys some sauce and get entered to win their builds and everything and all their other little random prizes that they have throwing in all the time. But that's my little taste review of the DAANG sauce, Chipotle and Lime, and DAANG Bro barbecue sauce. As always, guys, stay safe, stay chill.